Ang ganda nung ano. Perfect! Hello guys, it's me again, Hesper, and welcome to my another video. So in today's video guys, we will do the unboxing, but before that, just make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you'll be the first one to get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so moving forward, I'm really excited and happy at the same time to announce to you that I collaborated with my newest brand recently. This brand is Moda Brush. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin ang Moda Brush. So, thank you so much, Moda Brush, for having me as one of your beauty influencer. And it's such an honor, and I'm so proud to be part of your family. You know, thank you also for sending me out this box recently. Ayan. Ito yung box na sinunod nila. And look at the box, how beautiful it is. Look at the font. That's really nice. And then yung design ng bawat brush is 3D. Diba? Tsaka yung quality ng box, it's really nice, promise. So I thought itong brush na nandito lahat is nasa loob ng box. So I was like, kala ko ito yung lahat ng malilisip ko. Anyway guys, if you wanna see different styles of their brushes, you can go to their website, modabrush.com. And don't forget to use my discount code, Loveleehesper. Yeah, to get 10% off whenever you purchase their products. Since I'm one of their beauty influencers, ayan, you can use my discount code. So anyway, Moda Brush is actually 100% vegan and cruelty-free, no animal products used. So it means that it's really good to use. For the first brush that I'm going to show you is this Moda Brush Mythical Pro Makeup Brushes with 6 pieces Frozen Flight Kit. So basically it comes with 5 different brushes and with chrome pouch. Very soft yung brush niya, and then yung handle niya para siyang shell na may glitter sa loob. Meron siyang logo ng Moda Brush, and then may name din siya kung para saan tong brush na to. It smells new pero no bad smell at all, which is normal lang yung amoy. Unlike yung ibang brushes, it smells like factory which is parang chemical yung amoy. This one no, amoy bago lang siya. Yeah, I like it. Tapos yung size niya, ayan, regular size ng brush. Diba? So this is actually perfect for your travel. Simple simple makeup for your travel. Ayan, this is actually perfect for you. So this one costs like $19.99 or $20. For the second box would be the Beautiful Eye Flip Kit. Ayan siya. And this is matte black. Comes with 6 different brushes. Actually, nagamit ko na to once. Nilabhan ko lang. And then, para sa inyo, i-share sa inyo itong unboxing. So again, comes with 6 different brushes. And with flip kit, brush holder. But I just don't like the idea na color, pure white siya. White talaga siya. Hindi siya dirty white. White. As in pure white. I don't like the idea of that. Kasi travel, travel kit. So parang once you travel like twice or thrice, it will get dirty easily, diba? So magiging yellowish or brown na siya agad. Diba? Worse, maanhan pa ng ballpen. And this kind of texture ng skin ng pag maanhan ng ballpen yun, wala na. Sana man lang black. Kasi black naman yung yung brush natin. So, sana black na lang din. Diba? Para mas professional siya tignan. That's only my opinion. What do you think? Guys, small brush lang siya. Ayan. Yan, maliit lang siya guys. Super, ano lang siya, handy. Style ng brush niya, bilog-bilog. Yan, parang atis. First brush is angle shader. This is apply eyeshadow evenly. Nagamit ko na to actually guys, and so far so good. Okay naman siya. And especially for this brow liner. Itong brow liner, actually I use this to line my eyeliner. My eyebrow. Ayan o. Diba? Perfect. So, second one would be the crease and smudge. Ayan. So, ito, 2-in-1 tong brush na to. Para siyang ano, baton. Ayan. Wali. Okay, for the third brush, this is an eye shader used to build intense color on the eyelid. So this one costs $19.99 if you want a travel brush for your eyes. Ito rin, bongga na rin to. Kung gusto mo lang ng pang eyes, and you already have the brushes for your face. And then for the third one, Moda Pro Makeup Brush Complete Kit. Ayan. So this complete kit is perfect for those who is, you know, who wants only simple makeup, for everyday makeup. Hindi masyadong maarte in short. Parang they wanted only no makeup look. Ganun. Tipong powder, blush, and lipstick, and then kilay. And they're good. Yung tipong maganda na sila, hindi na effort. So this is perfect for you guys. This is actually my favorite one. Kasi yung color, diba? Parang ano eh, it's really unusual to see brushes, na color brushes like this. Parang usually kasi white, silver, gold, black. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa screen, ganyan. Talagang pigmented yung color niya. Yung smell, same lang. And then, malambot din siya. Regular size. Right? For the second brush, this is Inkle Foundation. This is great for all over foundation application and to apply around your eyes and nose. This is a domed shadow brush. This is actually expertly blend eyeshadow over your entire lid. For the last one, this is the Angle Eyeliner. Soft angle brush with chisel edge for precision at the lash line. We'll see later kung mag-work siya sa face natin. Alright. For this brush, it comes with a pouch again. Same as the pouch earlier, ganun din, pahaba. Pure white, tapos yung texture niya, it's silky. So, same as the flip kit earlier. Ganun na ganun. So, for this brush set, it costs like $15.99 or $16. For me, this is more cheaper than the Real Techniques brand. Kasi one brush lang sa Real Technique, it costs like, how much? And this one is already set, which is only $16. Kapag sa Real Technique, isang piraso lang yun. Right? Sa Pinas, lalo na sa Manila. In Manila, how much is the Real Technique? Actually, I was surprised when I went to Watson's. Actually, ito siya, yung brush ko. Ito, the powder brush. When I saw this, it cost like 1,000 pesos in Manila. Ayan, so we're done to unboxing of our PR box from Moda brush. And right now, we will be doing the spring makeup look using all the brushes. And if you want to see, or if you want to know what products I'm going to use for this video, just go to my description box. And yeah, I will put all my product bits in there. Alright, so if you're excited, let's go. Let's get started. Alright, so for my final verdict, guys. What do you think? Ang ganda niya, in fairness. Look. Especially yung highlighter brush. Ayun, nag-glue talaga ako. Fairness. And my eyeshadow. How about my eyeshadow? Not bad, right? So anyway, for my final thought about the Moda brush, I think not bad. Okay naman siya sa akin. But there is one thing that I'm concerned about, which is yung kanilang eyeliner slash eyebrow liner brush, which is this one. It didn't work to my eyeliner. You know, because I tried to use this earlier using the gel liner. Didn't work, as in parang patchy-patchy siya pag nilagay mo siya, parang hindi siya smooth. Hindi talaga siya smooth pag nilagay. Unlike yung brush for gel liner talaga, something like this, yung patusok, yung pointed. But this one, so I think I'm just, oh my god. So I think I'm just wrong, because I think this one is only for eyebrow liner. But kasi nakalagay sa box, eyeliner slash eyebrow. But this one is actually working to your eyebrow. Because this one is the brush that I used to my eyebrow earlier. Ayan. Which is okay naman. Right? Medyo stiff lang siya ng konti, pero okay naman. And then, for my favorite brush, this is my favorite brush of all sa lahat ng is this one, yung highlighter brush nila. Nagulat ako kasi look at that. Ang shiny niya, tapos talagang siya, nag-build up yung niya, yung highlighter kanina. Habang ina-apply ko, nagulat ako kasi wow, I said wow. Talagang ang kinis ko, diba? Eto, medyo so-so lang to yung sa foundation brush. Okay naman siya, but it takes a while bago siya na-blend sa face ko, yung foundation. I think some foundation brush is like that. Pero sa ganito talagang I think sa ganitong foundation brush, it won't it's like it takes a while before it blends totally the foundation on your face. Pero if you're using the foundation brush like this, yung mga parang kabuki, mabilis talagang smooth siya, ganyan. But this one, it takes a while. So I use after I use this, I use the blending, what's this, blending sponge. So yeah, gumamit pa ako niyan para lang talaga magmukhang smooth yung ating face, right? Yeah, so anything else, guys? I think that's all. Yeah, so if you have questions, guys, and suggestion, requests for my next video, just comment down below, and yeah, I will try my best na mag-create ng mga videos na request nyo, yan. And then if you want me to do the shout out, let me know, comment down below again. What else? For all the makeup products that I use on this video, just look to my description box, guys, okay? I will put everything there. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys, ha? And then also click the bell button so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. What else? Follow me on my Instagram at Loveleehesper to check my other makeup looks and posts, right? And I also have a Facebook page, Loveleehesper also. Please like my page, alright? Yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you like it. See you in my next one.